model, 2016 Iveco Daily 35S13 Xlwb. Excellent runner, needs simple spring repair, no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 186,825. MOT, the 1st of May 2026. Engine, 2287 cc F1AE3481P. Transmission, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights in the dash. Engine collection. Running gear perfect. The red heart front leaf spring has snapped. Straightforward bolt-on repair. Absolute bargain for someone with no VAT to pay. Grin. Condition summary. Bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is